Plans later today?
I'm going to coffee with some friends right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Coffee? Yeah, I mean, what if I bought your coffee for you?
I'm sorry. You seem really nice, and I have a boyfriend.
Oh, I mean, where's your boyfriend at? I
He's
don't...
actually out of town. But
Oh, he's out of town? Maybe we could just go out as friends.
I don't really think he would approve of that.
No, I know, but just friends?
I know, but I don't want to cross any boundaries.
Well, how about this? What if here, I'll do something. I'll take out some money and I'll just pay for your coffee. How about that?
I don't know. I mean, if you want to pay for it,
Of course.
I'm not opposed to it.
Yeah, no, I was gonna take out money anyways because we're actually going to the club later on today.
Why do you have so much money?
Oh, like I said, we're gonna go to the club later on, and I like to pop bottles, and all my friends, you know, we have a great time.
Wow, are you gonna invite me or what?
Well, I mean, I thought you said you had a boyfriend.
Well, he doesn't know her, I guess.
Ah, okay. This is for your coffee.
Thanks.
Maybe I could get your number or something.
Yeah, I'd love to go to the club with you guys and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. Hold on, let me just look this up. What's your number?
It's